Hey, what's going on everyone, this is iReviews back with another video, and today I will show you guys how to set custom charging animations and sounds on your iOS 16 device. Now of course, with the release of iOS 16 and all the cool new features, we have now more ways to customize our iPhones, but we still don't have a way to change the charging sound, which has been the default sound for years, or change the charging animation on our devices. But of course, there are ways you can change these and make your iPhone look really cool. How about this? Just take a look at this. How cool would it be for your iPhone to make this when you plug it in to charge?
iPhone charging.
Now this is actually really cool, and you can actually achieve this pretty easily on your iPhone running iOS 16. All you have to do is just follow the simple steps you will see on this video. I will show you guys how to change the sound, the animation, and also how to protect that screen so of course no one can unlock your device while it's charging. So let me show you guys the first step. First of all, I will show you how to change the charging sound on iOS 16. Now for this method I'm about to show you guys, you don't actually need an app at all. All you need is the Shortcuts app. Now there are apps that actually offer to do this, but I don't like most of them. They're not working like they should, and most of them are just filled with ads and will ask you for payments. Let me show you guys how to do this the easy way. All you have to do, open the Shortcuts app, and from here tap on Create Personal Automation. Of course, you want to go right here to Charger, and then from here tap the next button and make sure you tap right here on Add Action and search for Speak Text. So here we have Speak Text. You tap on it, and from here you can just enter your text. So I just want to say iPhone is charging, so I just type here. So just type iPhone charging. In this case, you can maybe enter your name there or whatever you want. Once you have done that, make sure you have disabled this, tap on Don't Ask, and tap the Done button. And now whenever I plug in my device to charge, it will actually say iPhone charging, or of course for you, it will say whatever you have typed there.
iPhone charging.
So that's pretty cool. Now let me show you guys how to actually change the animations of your iPhone while charging. Now for this we need to use apps. Now there are a ton of those on the App Store. As I said, for the sounds apps, most of them will be paid, most of them will actually have very low resolution animations and actually a ton of ads. So here I have picked 3 of those. One is dedicated for this. 2 others are different apps, but they work really great with charging animations. So let me show you guys the first one. This is the first app, and this is the animation that it shows. It's called Animations, and it has a ton of really cool animations. Now right here, if we tap on Close, you can see all these different animations that you can enable with this app. You can see how cool this one is. Now the way it works, from here, all you have to do is open the app and just pick the animation that you want. So it's as easy as that. So if we just choose this animation, we can now leave the app, and all we have to do is go to Shortcuts, go to Automations, tap to create a new automation right here, tap on Create Personal Automation, and then choose Charger, tap the next button, and then tap on Open App, and just choose the app we just opened right there. So here we have animations. It's as easy as that. Tap there, disable this, tap on Don't Ask, and now we're good to go. So now when we plug in the device to charge, we will have that animation, but we'll also have the custom sound we just created.
iPhone charging.
You can see how cool that is. We have this really great animation, and of course we have a charging sound. Now this of course opens the app and it goes straight to the automation, but if you leave your iPhone like this, someone can just slide up right here and of course go to your home screen. I will show you guys how to lock that in a second, but first of all let me show you another 2 really great apps that you can use for this. The second app is called Fluid, and you can see right here what it does. It adds this like really awesome animation on the screen of your iPhone. Now this is really cool, of course, and it will look amazing. Probably people will be amazed when you plug in your iPhone to charge and see this, but I don't think this is practical to leave it like this for a long time, because of course it consumes battery. That way your iPhone will charge slower, but you can just use it for fun and of course display this really cool animation, which actually can be changed. If you tap right there, you can go to other animations just like this. So just close this. You can see some really cool animations right here. So let's just choose the default one right there, and let me show you guys how it works. So again, for what you need to do here is go to shortcuts. Let's just delete the one for the first app and tap on create right there. Create personal automation. Again, still the same. Go to charge, next, tap open app. From here, choose the app. In this case will be this app right here called Fluid. Tap on next, make sure you always disable this, tap done, and you're good to go. You can see now how cool the screen will look once I plug in my device to charge.
iPhone charging.
You can see that really cool automation, and of course we have also the sound in the background, which makes it look really amazing. And for the last one, we're using an app called AAA. Now this app has some really cool animations right here. As you can see, you can tap there on those three dots and then tap here to actually change between them. You can see how cool that looks. And it also has a few sound effects which it will play once it opens. So for this, of course, it works the same way. You go again to shortcuts and you just do the same steps as you did before. So charger, again, right there, open app, and just choose AAA and you're good to go. Again, tap right here, don't ask, and you will have this really cool animation once you plug in your device to charge. As I said at the beginning, these apps work this way. Basically, they open and they go straight to the animation, but someone can just slide up on those apps and get into your home screen. Of course, we don't want that to happen. So what you can do about it, how to fix that, let me show you guys how to do that in a very few simple steps. First of all, head on to your settings. Go under accessibility right here, scroll all the way down, and then go to guided access. Make sure you have it turned on. Go to passcode settings. You can set a passcode or you can use your Face ID, which is way better. And then all you have to do is go to your shortcuts app and just keep in mind whichever app you're using. So in this case, I'm using that app called AAA. So what I want to do here is tap the plus button, create a personal automation, and then search here for app. So when it's open, choose here AAA in this case, and then tap on done, tap next, search for add action, and search for start guided access. So once you search for start guided access and you add it right here, tap the next button. Always make sure you have this disabled, tap the done button, and now we're good to go. So you can see right now what it will happen. Once I plug in my device to charge, I will get that cool animation, but I also have my device locked into that app. So you can see we have the animation right here, but also the device is locked into the app. So doesn't matter how much I try here, I won't be able to actually go to the home screen, which is really cool. But all I have to do is double tap here and of course continue with Face ID and it will let me into the device. So that's really cool, and that's how you protect these apps, of course, when using them with charging animations. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and the apps. If you want to download any of them, make sure to check out the description of the video. You will find all the links there. Again, thank you guys for watching. Leave a like if you enjoyed the video, subscribe for more, and I'll see you on the next one.